how do I attach my action camera to my helmet? For Guinness World Records, I have to record 10 minutes of daily video riding evidence. I'll tell you what I don't do. I don't use those 3M sticky notes to attach the action camera to my helmet. I actually had one fly off my helmet in Mexico and I was never able to find the camera. What do I use instead? I've been very impressed with these DP clamps. I imagine there are other ones like it. You take your action camera, you thread it right through with the bolt. I twist it all the way so it's secure. This is essentially a giant clothespin. So you've got the helmet. This is the Hornet V2. This clamp isn't even made for this helmet. You clamp it on, right? The real benefit of this is it's got this carabiner, right? So you just thread it through your motorcycle strap like so. Unlike those 3M sticky pads, which given enough time, they will fall off. This clamp, when it does fall off, it's all right there.